In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste an email in Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open the email you want to copy. So I'm going to open this one, for example, over here, which has some sample text. And then the easiest way to do this is to either open it like this, so by one clicking, or you can also click twice like this, double click, and it's going to open it like that. Then you want to go and just basically highlight over everything over here, and you want to press either right click and then copy, or press Control and C on your keyboard. And then when you do this, you simply want to go to a new email, for example up here, new, and then mail. And then in here you can just go to the body and you can right click and paste, or press Control and V on your keyboard, and that way you've successfully copied and pasted an email in Outlook. Now over here you also can see, of course, you can keep source formatting, you can merge it, or you can paste as text only in case you had some formatting in the previous email which you copied. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.